Got him beside it. Cool, good. I see him right here. He's going under your trying to keep him back there. Anytime I can try to net him whenever you get him close to the boat. Okay, hold on. He's around that rock. He's got the side over here. He's on this side that buoy, so he's got this side already.
Do you see him?
Yeah. Coming at. Oh,
Some action footage here, boys.
oh, right over that rock. You see that?
Yeah.
You know when you think you're ready again. Hold on, I'll put turbine over this little water here.
Did you see me holding Brady, kept him in the boat?
I just tighten the drag a little bit, so I got some meat on him right now, okay? Ready? Coming up. Got it, bro.
Hi-oh.
Film the fish. Right there, he's jumping around.
Honey, you're ruining the film now.
Alright, ready? We gotta get back up in that hole. You got the net, you got a motor. Like a hatchery, right?